Hello, folks. This is Raj from India, and I'm here to help you out with your routine issues that you usually face while working on your computer. Today, I'm going to show you how to delete your emails in bulk when you are working on your Gmail ID. Usually, when you try to select all the emails together, you have to delete them page by page. But today I am going to show you how can you avoid wasting time in deleting emails page by page and rather delete all of them from a particular sender just at one go. So let's get started. Now right on the screen you can see my email box for Gmail. Now let's assume I want to delete all the emails that exist in my inbox from Naukri alerts. So I'm going to just open that email first, and I'm going to copy the address or the ID for the sender, copy it, and then paste it in the search window and hit enter. This will display all my emails from naukri.com. However, each page will display only 50 emails. However, it shows that there are 71 emails. Similarly, it's quite possible that from a different other email sender, there can be more than 71 emails. Now, just before preparing this video, I had few senders who had sent me more than 1,000 emails. In that case, what do you do? Do you delete them 50 emails by going through different pages and wasting time, or you delete all those 1,000 emails at one go? So I deleted all of them. I just did some research on Google and I found the solution. Now, just to give you an example, by considering these emails from Naukri alerts, I will show you how all these 71 emails, despite they being spread across two pages, can be deleted just at one go. What you need to do is you need to first click on this checkbox, which will select all the emails that are being displayed on this page here, which are only 50 emails. However, our target is to delete total 71 emails at one go. So how do you do that? Now, once you select or check this box over here, what you need to do is you need to click on select all conversations that match this search. Once you click here, all the emails other than these 50 emails on this page, including those which add up to 71 on the next page, will be selected, and you just click on this delete button. You need to confirm the bulk action, so you need to click on OK, and there you go. You can also check it once again by putting the email ID of the sender in the search box and hitting enter. You can click on your inbox, put in the ID of the sender once again, click on search, and there you go. You don't have even a single email from this sender. And you must have also noticed that it's not page by page deletion that I have done, but I have deleted all these 71 emails which were spread across two different pages just at one go. Similarly, you can go ahead and also delete your emails at one go, even if there are thousands of them and spread across multiple pages. I hope this video will be helpful enough for most of you to delete your bulk emails just piling up in your mailbox. I will come again soon back to you guys with more such routine solutions while working on your computer. Till then, have a good time ahead. Bye bye.